Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best range hoods on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Broan-NuTone F403004 Under Cabinet Convertible Range Hood. The first element of appreciation for this range hood is its 4-way convertible arrangement. It can be used both with and without ducts. The pre-installed ducts are 3 1/4 by 10 inches, vertical and horizontal respectively, while it also comes with a round duct of 7 inches. Being a convertible design, and of small size, it is a hit among household users. The design also improves ventilation considerably over its previous models. Next, we would like to point out its adequate lighting capacity. This is why we claim this product is ideal for minimalistic people or for those who do not need very bright lights while cooking. The lamp lens spreads the light conveniently over the cooking area. It also has a provision of accepting up to 75 watt, but the 75 watt bulb isn't included in the package. The filters are made of aluminum, and they are, as expected, dishwasher proof, making it easier for you to clean them. The product is sensitive and versatile. It complies with the ADA, American Disabilities Act, making it suitable for use for everyone under the sun. Number 2. Our second best pick is COSMO QS7530 in Under Cabinet Range Hood. Let's start with its speed first, shall we? The twin centrifugal motors in the unit provide an impressive airspeed of 900 CFM. Its power could remove all the pungent and heavy smells from the kitchen within 30 minutes after the cooking gets over. Installation-wise, it is not as easy as the wall-attached cabinets, but it is way more comfortable than the general under-cabinet range hoods. Making way for seamless and noise-free operations, the COSMO QS7530 is a little beast. The controls are truly user-friendly. It comes with a few easy-to-operate switches that include 3 speed controls as well. As mentioned, the operations are clean, safe, and quick, and so is the process of cleaning the filters. The machine comprises arc flow permanent filters that are dishwasher safe. They are very durable as well. Moreover, the best part of this model is it can be used ductless as well. Only the optional carbon fiber kit that's required as a substitute needs to be bought separately. Needless to say, like the other models, this model also comes with 1.5 watt LEDs that cover your entire cooking area. Mind you, it's the cooking area and not the whole kitchen. Number 3. Our third best pick is Hauslane Chef Series PS18 Under Cabinet Range Hood. We have another beast from Chef with an airspeed of 900 CFM. There are 3 adjustable speed settings that you can control according to your cooking demands. The exhaust fan removes all the smells from your kitchen, pushing them out through the pipe. Unlike other range hoods that are unable to prevent the smell from spreading outside the kitchen, the superior motor technology of the PS18 does the job correctly. Much like the Chef model mentioned above, the Baffle filters always enhance the functions of the extractor hood. To maintain the quality of the filters, you do have to wash them frequently. But, since the filters are dishwasher proof, cleaning won't ever be a hassle with this. This model features an advanced touchpad panel where you can control everything from the speed of the fan to starting up the machine, and much more. It essentially makes the operation smooth and accessible to everyone. The lights will illuminate your cooking area perfectly. Beautifully warm LED lights will compensate for all the light in your kitchen and save up on your electricity bill as well. The final point of appreciation will be about the auto shutdown technology and the auto ventilation feature. The latter removes all unwanted smells from the kitchen, and you don't have to wait for the cleaning to get over. Once its work is done, the range hood will shut down automatically. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is XtremeAir Ultra Series UL10-U30. This product also sports a sleek and compact look with a seamless corner construction. Fit only for residential use, this is an under-cabinet design. Easy to maintain and easy to install, this range hood suits homes perfectly. Now we come to the body and build of the product. The material is stainless steel. But unlike other models, the quality of the steel used is exceptionally durable and non-magnetic. The thickness of the material is 1 mm. Moreover, the baffle filters are also made of stainless steel. The oil container is also made of the same material. Thus, in essence, what makes this model unique is, all the elements of the range hood are made of similar high-quality steel, unlike other models that are made of plastic. Now we come to the airflow. Well, we couldn't complain. Not only because the maximum airspeed is a massive 900 CFM, but also because it comes with 3 speed buttons. Simply control the different speeds with the easy-to-use easy buttons. Last but not least, the operations with this range hood are almost noise-free. The 2 motors and squirrel cage blowers make way for minimizing the noise during cooking. This is a significant gain as most hoods make a bothersome noise, despite their performance. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Sinda Copper Range Hood. After we got over admiring its looks, we could settle down for testing it. So, here are all that we found out about this genius product. First, this vintage product is available in 2 kinds, wall mount and island or ceiling mount. The under-the-cabinet model isn't available for obvious reasons. The internal motor is potent, and the 2 engines combine to give the output we always aspired from such a costly machine. It is 1360 CFM. Along with the internal motor, there is a stainless steel vent box made of high-quality 304 grade steel. The ventilation system is made of stainless steel and is top-notch, providing a noiseless operation, less than 70 dB. The machine is an expert in removing dust, hot air, rotting smells, moisture, and the oily and sticky feeling on the surfaces very effectively. The final word would be about its design. This model is designed for those who are patrons of traditional beauty. Its body is built with extreme care and precision from thick copper of gauge 16. The texture of the copper is polished and hammered. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.